guys. It's New Year's, early morning. What I'm trying to do today is change out these headers. Like, remember that strip bolt I was telling you about? Yeah, I'm gonna try to break them all loose, jack up the car, work on the rest bolts, and hopefully change out my headers. Pretty tight on there, bro. I bought these grip tights, which would work pretty good on rounded off bolts. So yeah, this is what I'm trying to do right now. Yep. My headers are inside. I'll show you guys right now a bit. Alright guys. So this is the DC headers. Carb legal. I believe it's 421 or 4-in-1. But yeah, I got these for a good price. So let me get these bolts off. Let me raise up the car and work on the bottom by the cat. Let's see if today's possible. All right, guys. Found out what was the fucking problem from the beginning. So that bolt, it's not a nut, it's a bolt, all right? Okay. These nuts, they screw off that direction. This one's the same. But me and my brother, we're going this way. Towards this way, we're tightening it. Right now, I broke one of my tools. Where's it at? Here it goes. Cause that was all it. It was no more way to go. No more where to screw. I cracked it. I heard the crack on the bolt. As in, I broke it loose. But as well, I broke my fucking, my special tool. But then when I screwed off this bolt right here, which was going this way, and I was like, oh, damn. We've been doing a mistake this whole fucking time. So, yeah, I already got it loose. Now, I have to get them all loose again, jack up the car, and work on the bottom. I'll leave it as that right now. You know, you live and you learn, like I said. All right, guys, yes. I finally got the fucking bolt from hell off. Look, I'm saying, these tools do work. But my mistake was going the wrong way, as we've been doing from the beginning. So, yeah, so I applied a little bit of pressure, and it tightened a little bit more. That's what I noticed, my mistake. So I reversed it, and there you go. Got loose, you know. I broke. I ain't managing breaking gold tool of mine. Let's see if I get it welded or buy me a new one. But you know, now finally I get to put on the headers. But right now, I'm gonna take the kids out to the swamp meet. But it's a project I'm gonna do when I come back. Oh, that's my engine, by the way. Nothing major. Stock everything, like I said. But yeah. Alright guys, there it is to it. Got the rest of these to take off, but I already got them loose up. I got them loose the other time, but just that middle one. This fucking motherfucker right here, but we're on good steps today. Alright, see ya. Right here at AutoZone, finna pick up the gasket, and hopefully they have another bolt.
Honey? Oh, for sure, we'll call you up.
Here's what I bought right here. Grip type. I recommend these for any rounded off boats. Alright guys, I'm gonna look for the boats and I'll get back at you guys. This is the last boat. Let me focus right there. Perfect. Yep, I got this last boat on the headers. Now I gotta jack up the car and work on the cat, the downpipe. Okay, finally, all 5 bolts are off. Basically, it's two bolts and 2 nuts. And the one I took off is the one that stripped, but got it brand new. Yep. All right, took off the front bumper. Got the car on jacks. So I have enough clearance under there. Took off them headers. I got these 4 bolts to take off. They look like they're gonna be a pain in the ass, but let's see. Then remove these 2 bolts. Remove this bracket that's gonna be in the way. Yes, got it loose. Good sound. Yeah, babe, I got it. Shut up. I'm over here doing what I do best, what I love doing best. Yup, they're coming out good. I'm taking off my headers, bro. Huh? I already loosened up the ones on top. I just got these ones on the bottom. My beautiful girl. Vaping, when she ain't supposed to. I don't like her vaping. Fuck it. So, alright. Now I got these other 2 to get off. I got one off. These ones are 12 millimeter bolts. So the top ones are 14. These ones are 12. Kind of rusted, but it's normal due to the heat. There you go. Spring bolts. I was thinking of buying some new ones, but just oil these back up, throw them back on. We'd be good. Okay, now the ones that look very, very, I don't know. These motherfuckers I'm iffy about these, but we'll get to them. All right, so these 2 bolts don't want to come out at all, like I said from the beginning. They look very suspicious, but what I'm gonna try to do is remove the bracket. Where is it? There you go, remove those 2 bolts. It's the little bracket that they hold on to. So I'm gonna remove those 2 bolts, and hopefully I get the whole exhaust, the headers out from the engine bay up, and then loosen these somehow out there. But right now I'm focused on these 2 bolts, which is I have really no room, no play, as you can see. Another metal plate. It's in the way. That I can't get to either. Remove this bolt, this fucking thing. So, all right. Got the headers off. Let me get the gasket. So, gasket seems pretty good. So, I was on my way to go buy some, but they're good. See that bracket I was telling you about? Ugly ass bracket right there. Force it out somehow. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down. I'll get back. I gotta go with plan B. I have to be a bully now. All right. I had to hand tighten these bolts if I could get it free. I mean, still could be on there. Won't be jiggling all the way around. So now, the moment I've been fucking waiting for. Out with the old, in with the new. Headers removed. Now it's time to install the new DC Sports. DC headers. You guys have it. Finally installed it. Took me about fucking 3 to 4 hours. Still daylight, but yep, there you go. You guys have it. Headers installed. Took me about 2-3 hours max. I had to cut off the bracket. We're so seized. Cut off that bracket. No need. Heat plate. No need. Heat shield. So, there you guys have it. DC Sport headers installed.